This is Kelly from the Carpenter Branch, and today I want to share a book with you from America's Test Kitchen. It is called The Complete Cookbook for Young Chefs. It's available digitally on Overdrive with your library card. This is a complete how-to book for kids that are interested in cooking. In true America's Test Kitchen style, the recipes in this book have been tested by hundreds of kids to make sure that they are doable and delicious. The book is full of helpful guides such as decoding kitchen speak, which can help demystify words that are commonly used in recipes such as dice, mince, zest, and simmer. Bonus literacy points for kids learning new words and putting them straight into action. In this book, your kid will learn things like how to crack an egg, how to juice citrus, and how to measure out wet and dry ingredients. There are bright, colorful, large pictures of kids just like them doing the task. There is no fancy kitchen equipment needed for any of these recipes. They are simple, but definitely not boring or bland, and they're all kid approved. There are old favorites like homemade pizza and blueberry pancakes, but there are also recipes like sweet and tangy glazed salmon that might just get your kid to try something new. Cooking with your kids enforces skills like reading comprehension, measurements, and fractions, and plus cooking is just a lifelong skill. And the outcome is healthy, delicious food straight from your own kitchen. And I think that this book is a great place to start.